Bueno, nos encontramos aquí en la intersección de la ruta 309 con la Boulder Drive here in Boulder Township, Pennsylvania. And we can see in the back we had a situation here with these two fire trucks that collided to each other. And now we have DMV towing, trying to get this tow truck out of the woods, and it's starting to get a little bit rainy. It's been raining all day, started yesterday, and now it's still raining a little bit. But we are here to bring you guys a little bit of what's going on around this area of Hazleton. My name is Mario Castro. I run the channel Not the End of Freedom on YouTube, as well as in TikTok has Hazleton News now. So I hope you guys go and check it out. Give me a little bit of comments to see if we can do this better. I'm always recording videos in the area of Hazleton and surroundings. So I received a call about an hour ago about this situation that was taking place here in Boulder Township, and I decided to come and check it out, and this is what I found. And I want to bring you guys whatever I can see. So yeah, I wonder where the guy went. I wonder where the flagger went. Oh yeah. Yeah, a lot of people gonna go. Yeah, we have a situation here because they're supposed to put some cones right there for the people not to drive into this right lane, trying to make this is being shut down. I mean, obviously we guys can see what is going on here, but a lot of people are not familiar with what's going on here. They only see tow trucks and they see a lot of commotion, but they don't know where to go because they don't have anything to direct them. They only have this guy over there, which it was hiding right a minute ago, and they have no idea where to go. So they should put some cones here. This is what I think it would be a good idea. But what can I say? I'm nobody to tell them what to do. They already know, what to do, and I don't know. That's the way they work. But that's only me saying. Guys, like I said before, I hope you guys go to my YouTube channel, Not the End of Freedom, and subscribe. Hit like and share these videos. I hope you guys understand that I'm doing this to show people that we can record videos in public. We're not doing nothing wrong. We are here documenting what's taking place in our town, in our area. And if we all record videos, if we all record what's going on in the area, we can keep people informed of what's going on. So what I'm doing, I want everybody to do. I hope to see more videos of accidents and things of this nature taking place, recorded by you guys, recorded by us, the citizens, the free citizens. So I don't have much to say. Just go to my YouTube channel and enjoy the videos that I have for everyone to see. I've been recording videos for about 2.5 years maybe, and I've been arrested on multiple occasions for doing what I'm doing right now. But little by little we are educating our law enforcement that we have the right to do this. There is nothing that I'm doing that is against the law. we as free citizens, we have the right to record in public whatever we can see. And it's too bad for them that they don't like it, but we are here as a free citizens to record. Right, Paul? So we have Mr. Paul from Paul's Towing, right, operating this big recovery vehicle. And we're gonna be here until I'm usually the last one on scene, so I'm gonna be here for a little bit. It doesn't matter if it rains, if it snows. I'm gonna be here until everybody leaves. So stay tuned, guys. There is more coming. Oh, we can see now they have another truck trying to whatever they want to do in there. They have the whole row for themselves. So see, I was gonna talk about recording a video with this guy before. Actually, I called him yesterday, and I was gonna ask him, you know, when I was gonna record a video of him working on the trucks or with the trucks. And look at me right now, right next to these trucks. Well, guys, as I was saying before, they still working on to get this fire truck out of the woods. As you can see in the background, we have Hazel Township fire truck involved into this accident here on 309. According to people, he was hit by another fire truck that were going to an alarm that on Beach Mountain, and they collided here with each other, sending this fire truck right to the woods. We see firefighters from Hazel Township, also DNB Towing, working and to get this vehicle removed or out of the woods. We are here on 309 in Butler Township, right across the street from Fuel On, and it's starting to rain a little bit, but we're gonna be here until my battery dies. They're still working. I've been here for like about an hour and a half already, and we see that they are still working to get this fire truck out of there. So I'm gonna be recording little videos here and there, that way I can save some battery. But like I was saying before, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Not The End of Freedom, and enjoy more of these videos from Hazleton and around the areas. Make sure you subscribe, hit like, and activate that notification button. That way you can get notification every time I upload a new video. Well, we are here in the corner of West Butler Drive and 309, and as you can see, they're still working on to get this fire truck out of the woods. This is 309 north is a shut down at the moment. They're sending everybody towards Beach Mountain, towards Freeline Mountain Road, and You see that they've been working on this truck for a little bit already. Doesn't matter what they do, they're still gonna be damaged on this truck regardless. Yep. There is some suspension damage to that truck already. Well, I'm glad to see more people recording videos. And let me see the damages on that vehicle. You see we have a Butler Township, Butler Regional, DMV Towing, Eagle Township, fire trucks, and another one that got involved in the Deuce accident. Well, it's starting to rain a little bit heavier, so I might gonna end up this right here. Smell like burning.
let me go. Goodbye. I'll call you back.
Mr. Dominic, any message for my viewers?
No, it's a sad day when this happens.
Yeah, I mean they were going to an alarm fire,
It was confirmed fire.
and they end up being in an accident. Not
Yeah.
well,
So not,
everybody's okay though.
they don't know.
I saw the 2 ambulance over there by.
Yeah, there were injuries. I can't say what.
No.
There was injuries.
Yeah.
Like, it's just sad when something like this happens because again, somebody also I believe lost their home. It wasn't
Yeah.
a false alarm, it was a fire they were going through. So
Is the people on the fire okay though?
there's nothing. They evacuated at the fire. There was no injuries in the fire as far as I understand. But this was just sad. When stuff like this happens, it's a tragedy.
Yeah.
Just the fact people got injured, equipment got damaged, and somebody lost their home too. So it's just a bad thing. A bad afternoon.
Bad afternoon, yeah. And plus it's time to get a little bit more wet. So my battery is about to die, so
Okay.
you're gonna be the last on my video.
Is that good or bad?
Huh?
Is that good or bad?
Well, we'll see what the people say about you.
Yeah.
You know?
I don't think they
What's
say
your
nothing.
name?
Oh, but they don't say nothing. You know my name. They don't say
I
nothing.
want
man.
no, but my viewers don't know your name.
Well, you called me by name when you came up, though.
Okay. All right, Mr. Dominic. Good luck, man.
I don't think I get many bad comments.
No, I mean, what can I say? People have different opinions, you know.
Yeah.
But that's why I want people to go on the comment section and comment. You haven't commented in a while,
No, I haven't.
so you get in there and start typing.
Oh, I'll put that on my agenda. I'll get in and start
Yeah,
typing.
yeah. All right, Mr. Dominic.
Okay.
It's time to rain a little bit harder now.
Alrighty. Thank
Hey,
you.
be warm, man.
Yep, have a
Take
good
care. All right. All right, guys. That's how we have it. Mr. Dominic from Fire Police. I'm gonna leave it right here, guys. My battery is about to die. I'm starting to get more wet since it's starting to rain a little harder. But that's what we have. We still have this recovery of this fire truck going on. I'm gonna leave it right here. Invite you guys to go to my YouTube channel, Not the End of Freedom. Also go to my Facebook account, Mario Castro, Mario Alberto, and also my TikTok as Hazelton News Now, and enjoy what I have there to show you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video.